What's going on, everybody? This is Devon Marquise West, aka Mark West with CLEP Guinea Pig. I am your CLEP Guinea Pig, and today I'm going to briefly be going through the measurement of economic performance portion of the Macroeconomics Study Guide from CLEP Guinea Pig. By the way, this is the only channel for everything and all things CLEP. I drop gems on how to pass your exam, what to study, what to look for, how to study, where you should start your study process. I end the confusion and the frustration of trying to figure out all those things on your own. So if that's something that you're dealing with, if that's a problem you're having, then this is definitely the channel for you. With that being said, please mash that like button and subscribe to the channel. Let's grow this channel. Let's build this channel. Let's put these videos in front of as many people as possible. Let's help as many people as possible pass their exam. I would appreciate that so much. And without further ado, let's just go ahead and jump right into it. The magic of this video is I'm going to click through. You're going to stop. You're going to pause. You're going to take notes. You're going to screenshot. You're going to do whatever you need to do to get this information. Now, this video, or this study guide is available. The full study guide is available on my website at clepguineapig.com, or you can join the community. Links in the description, and it's available there as well. But please, get this info, whatever you do. Obviously, I would definitely prefer you pay for it. But if you guys, some of you I know are cheap and don't like to pay for study prep, that's fine. Whatever, as long as you get the info. At the end of the day, that's all I care about. But this is just a portion of it. So if you want the full study guide put together, definitely make sure you stop by the website, stop by the community, and grab that thing, and drop some gems in the community as well. There's a lot of people that join the community that just have regular questions, and if that's you, then go in there, drop some gems, drop some questions. If I'm not answering them, somebody else will answer them, somebody who has taken the test already. So please go ahead and do that. And if you need to get in touch with me, my number, you can shoot me a text at 619-432-5947. You can follow us on Instagram at CLEP Guinea Pig. Please do that. Definitely do that. If you're not on Instagram, make an Instagram and then follow us anyway. And then you can email me as well, Mark, MARQ, at clepguineapig.com. Once again, please mash that like button, subscribe to the channel, drop a comment, share this video with as many people as you can, and thank you so much for all your support. Till we meet again. Peace.